I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to make money trading crypto, and we're starting right now. So unless you have been living under a rock, you know all the craze or heard of all the craze with ChatGPT lately. People are going crazy, and rightfully so, because ChatGPT brings a lot of new innovation to the table. I mean, you can use it for writing titles, use it for ads, use it for sales copy, use it for writing books, and you can even use it to write code. But what if you could use ChatGPT to actually trade crypto for you? Will it be profitable? And if yes, will it work? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. It's actually pretty cool. Check this out. Now, the first thing you want to do is actually go to a crypto exchange called Pionex, and here you can actually auto buy low and sell high with exclusive crypto trading bots. But what you will also notice is right here it says Pionex GPT. Create your own strategy with AI. Basically, what Pionex has done is incorporate ChatGPT into its platform, which is it's amazing. Let me show you how this works. So the first thing to do is actually make an account at Pionex over here, pionex.com, and the KYC is extremely light. It just needs a phone number or email, if I remember correctly, and you can actually use this platform. And you'll notice there's different functions here, like trade, there's futures, there's markets, there's earn, so you can make some passive income. You can actually buy crypto here, but what we want to do is go to the More tab and scroll down to Pionex GPT here. Now this will take you to a platform that looks kind of familiar. That's right, it looks like ChatGPT, but there's more to it than that. Let me show you. See, here you can actually prompt Pionex GPT to create a trading strategy for you. Now, there are some examples right here, just like in ChatGPT, but it has to do with trading examples. For example, you can get a grid strategy or DCA strategy here, or even an Ichimoku strategy, which is actually quite cool. But let's say you want to create your own momentum strategy here. You can actually type right here, make me a momentum-based trading strategy for Bitcoin that will be profitable. And there you go. What it does, it gives you the code straight away on how to create your own trading bot. Now, after it gives you the code, it actually explains what it does. So this strategy uses a combination of fast-moving averages, RSI, and stop-loss take-profit orders to enter and exit position based on momentum. And you can read the rest of it here in your own time. Now, this is all great and dandy, but that's not all. Check this out. You can actually go to GPT Marketplace here, and you can actually get ready-made trading bots made by other people over here. And you can actually see the 30-day ROI, that's return of investment, 90-day ROI, or 1-year ROI right here. Now, some of these ready-made bots have costs. So you can see here it has 30% profit sharing. This one has 10%, but you can also have some free ones over here. And as a matter of fact, this free bot over here has made 1,059% yearly ROI. That is incredible. So let's just click that real quick. So here you can subscribe for this. It's actually for free, and you can enter how much money you want to invest into this bot. But the issue here is, how are you sure that this bot will work, or the bot you make will actually work? And this is the interesting part here. If we go back to Pionex GPT right here, you'll see the previous code that we have been given. And what you can do is actually copy and backtest this on TradingView. Now you can do that by clicking this button over here, and it'll take you there automatically, but I like to actually copy the code up here and then go to TradingView. And once you are in TradingView, you can just go down over here to the Pine Editor. We have Bitcoin USD selected here, and we are on the daily chart. And just paste the code in here. You click save, and it has a cool name, momentum-based Bitcoin strategy. Let's save that. And let's add to chart. And here you can actually backtest your strategy. In other words, see what it would have done in the past if you actually did this a while ago. Let me show you. So as you can see, you would have gone long right over here, and we did trade sideways for a while here, and it did start going up. Then you would have shorted up here, and here are your stop losses. In other words, this would take you out the market if it fell below that point. And as you can see, you have a stop loss here, you have a short here, and so on. Now, there's more to do here. Let's go back real quick. Let's go back to Pionex, and let's use An Ichimoku strategy. Please write me an Ichimoku strategy. And what it will do is it will actually code everything for you. Now you can always explain the code right here and it will explain to you what it does. And also it says over here, this strategy also referred to Ichimoku for entry and exit. And it has a plus 524.82%, probably annual. Let's have a look here. Annual return. Actually, annual is a lot more. Check this out. This is insane. Here it explains about the strategy and so on. I actually like this. You can subscribe to this. And here you can copy this strategy and you can even take a leverage up to 3x, which is actually very responsible. Anything beyond that is insane. And you can actually start this with just $50. Now let's go back here. Let's copy this code, shall we? So let's go up here. Let's click copy. Let's go back to trading view. Let's go to Pine Editor and let's replace this code. Let's click save and let's add the chart. And now here you will see every time you would get into a position, every time it would sell this position. So look at this. If it got in just here, for example, Friday the 6th, January 23, you would have ridden all the way up until, of course, over here. Now, of course, what works in the past doesn't mean it's going to work in the future, but it's safe to say with price history that it will. And you can always make your own parameters to this. For example, you can click modify parameters over here and tell it to modify something for you. So if you want a longer time frame or if you want to add something in here, you can add trading, stop losses or anything to this code. And you don't even need to know how to code. Now, Pionex is actually a great exchange, and down below I'll leave the link so you can sign up. It's actually a referral link, so I'll get a bonus. So if you want to help out this channel, if you want to help out the Crypto Factor, then please go ahead. I appreciate it. But if not, that's okay. Just make sure you sign up to this exchange. It's actually a good exchange to sign up to, and it's good to have an exchange ready in case something happens with another exchange and you want to trade fast, especially with what's going on nowadays. So go ahead and create an account. Now, please feel free to like this video if you got any value from it, but also if you have any questions or if you want to see more videos on Pionex or more explanations, go ahead and comment down below. I'll try to answer your questions or even make a video answering your questions ASAP. Now, if you want to see how I invest in cryptocurrencies, how I trade crypto, then watch this video right here. And if you want to see the perfect trading strategy, make sure you watch this video down here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.